The Dow pops 46 points. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It is Tuesday, September 6, 2016. And the markets go green for the day. NASDAQ up the most, 0.62%. Little laggy here on small caps, up just a mere fraction, but banks take a hit, down more than 1%. Financials down 0.16%. And we have the crude oil up 1.5%, gold up 2%, and silver up 3.3%. We called it on the weekend edition video that was going to be some nice bullish plays. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, and today initially we had weakness. And keep in mind, you can go to full screen, watch this video in full screen, and then click high definition, and you'll see this in great clarity. Look at this. Today we opened, we dropped most of the day, and then rallied back by days in, closing above this minor trend line. Boom, I added a buy signal here to the spiders, the S&P 500. My tune changes though. Here on the Dow, this is the diamonds, this is the Dow. Boom, 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 pop, pop, pop. We did have a close above the 20-day moving average, but right at a resistance point. So this is a minor trend line, not something to be overly concerned with, but nonetheless, it is resistance, acting as resistance there. If I look here at the NASDAQ, you'll see that we had this minor trend line coming across here that we popped over. Boom, nice little pop. I did not put a buy there. The reason I did not is because of a major area of resistance that's we're going to be there tomorrow, it looks like. So there's no way I'm going to buy right into an area of resistance. Small caps is another issue. I'm ready to put a red arrow here on sell. As we have this trend line up, this major trend line coming up there, a main trend line coming up here, up, major resistance. Gang, we popped up here and on really little volume. I mean, the volume's just horrible. We're going up in price action, going down in the MACD. That is a bearish divergence. So we're looking very toppy, like the markets could start to soften at any time now. If you look back at some statistics, you'll see that here in the markets, we have not had a 1% move one direction or the other for over 40 days. 40 trading days, and we've had many movements. To day traders, that's the only place to be really making money at this moment is day trading. And we're not even getting big moves in the day trading chat room just because we're not getting these big movements. And that is indicative of a big move coming. Anytime you have that small of movements in the market, look for a big explosion one direction or the other. And here we've been so high that it would make more sense probably, or the probability of a big movement would be more down than up at this moment. And let me show you something so you'll have a better understanding of what I mean by that. If I look here at the monthly chart, look how every month we're going higher without a red candlestick. When's the last time you've seen this many bullish candlesticks? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm looking for white in a row. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. That was back in 2006, but not 8. There. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 3, 6 there. So the last time we had a run of 8 months in a row in bullish territory, the last time here, gang, takes us back to 1995 through 1995. I mean, we started in January and we went to September. And then we get a red candlestick. Then we went higher. And that was the tech boom, 95, gang. So the last time that we were remotely this bullish with this many bullish candlesticks was back in 1995. Now, that is a big time statistics you're not going to hear anywhere else. Listen, I'm doing a webinar. I want you to join me. What I want you to do is go to Grok Trade, but I want you to scroll down here to Grok Trade. Either click on this link or click on this one on the 7th. I'm going to be doing a webinar at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Do not miss this webinar. Let me hit refresh here. Hit refresh. Okay. Yep, the 7th at 3 p.m. You definitely want to be at that webinar. So get signed up, Grok Trade, and click on the 7th. You can do another one on Saturday if you'd like, but the 7th is where the action is. So join me there. So if you like the technical analysis that we do on a daily basis, leave a comment and share this, because there's a ton of information to be seen. And, oh man, I'd be remiss if I didn't go to crude oil. Crude oil, we're getting a bounce. Gold, I called it a buy, and boom, there's our pop. I called it a buy on silver, boom, but we're coming up to resistance. So be watching that for silver and gold. Again, share the video, share it. Catch you guys later.